Hey there! Are you ready to make your mark in the app world? Welcome to our app development program. App development is more than just coding, it's about creating solutions that improve our lives. Learning to develop apps empowers you to solve real world problems through your innovative ideas. In this program, you will gain essential technical knowledge alongside entrepreneurial skills that are crucial in today's digital landscape. We provide experiential learning that will help you tackle real time problems in the real world. You will participate in instructor led classes that offer practical experience as you design, develop, and market your own apps. Here is an example.
Hello, everyone. I am introducing my new news app called Daily News to every news lover. This is a one stop app for staying informed without the grown up overload. Feeling lost? Daily News is here to be your guide. Open the app and you'll get a super cool homepage just as you click the Get Started, which has two options: breaking news and recommended. We can scroll easily in the breaking news to see all kinds of news which are latest and will help us. Second,
Okay.
we have the recommended tab in which we have all kinds of news of different genres. We have the discover option. This tab is amazing to view news of only one genre one at a time, such as business, entertainment, general. On the bottom right corner of every news is a bookmark. After we click that bookmark, it will go to the saved articles tab in which we can see all the articles which we want to save or study at a later point.
We emphasize design thinking and problem solving. You will explore how to identify real world issues, brainstorm innovative solutions, and refine your app concepts along the way. By the end of this program, you will not only have the technical skills to build an app, but also the entrepreneurial mindset to effectively bring into the market. This is your opportunity to stand out in the tech industry. Here are glimpses of apps.